What it is, all you goddamn hypebeasts, it's your boy Sin Supreme, and I am back from vacation. I know it's been a couple of weeks since you've seen this beautiful face right here, but whenever a season ends, I like to take a little time off to smell the flowers. And now that I'm back, I totally forgot that I had a bunch of items that I copped the last few weeks of the season that I did no unboxing for. So let's not waste any more time and get to this final unboxing of the 2017 fall-winter season. Let's crack open this box here. See what we got. So it's funny because it's a box, but they still just stuff a bag in there. Ridiculous. But it's a Supreme Mophie charger. I believe this is the 20K one. I'm not sure how much it cost. It was around $100. Let's see if we can get this thing open. The packaging is very clean, by the way. Very clean packaging. You got Supreme Mophie on the box. Then on the interior box, you got the Supreme Mophie 20K. Damn, this thing is big as shit. This thing is definitely a big charger. It has 2 USB slots, and then it looks like a USB-C slot and a micro USB slot. Comes with a charge, a little bit of a charge already. Has a Supreme chrome finish. This thing is definitely clean as fuck. It does come with one cord, and I think this is the cord to charge it. I like these ones better because you can buy your own USB cords, whatever length you want. You don't have to use the smaller one, had the cords built into it, and I'm not a fan of that. So I'm glad I picked this up. I can't wait to start using it. I wonder if it'll charge my Switch. I wonder if it has that much power. It looks like it does. Well, we'll have to see. Next package. The next package is the actual Christmas tee. I did pick one of these up in the large, even though it was somewhat of an easy cop, still sold out. I really like the tee. It did catch a ton of hate. It's unfortunate that Supreme shipping is so bad that I didn't receive the shirt until after Christmas, so I wasn't even able to take a Christmas photo with the shirt on, but there's always next year. And pretty much it's just a white tee with different skeletons doing sex positions. They're doing all crazy type of positions on this fucking shirt. This is a dirty ass holiday shirt. It does say December 2017 on the back of the shirt as well. Can't wait to rock this. This shit is fire. Next item. Shirt is, oh, this is the horror tee. I was really glad to pick this one up. This was part of the final fall winter tees that were released, and this one was my favorite out of all of them. It honestly looks like imagery out of a Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It looks like a Leatherface type of character holding a chick with a chainsaw, and then it says Supreme down the side, and then you got some like devilish, ghoulish dude in the background. I got it in the black because I love the way the red and the white hit off of the shirt. Very sick shirt. Glad I picked it up. I know the final t-shirt drop of the season, a bunch of tees dropped, so you were pretty much able to get whatever you wanted. So I didn't have too much of a problem getting that. Next item feels super light. I think I know what this is. It is a box logo sticker. Psych. It's the Supreme face mask, actually. I honestly didn't know why I picked this up. I probably just got it because it was available. But a face mask is definitely not needed out here on the West Coast. Definitely does not get that cold. But I mean, come on. You can't turn this down. This is cool as shit. Got me feeling real stealthy out here. You know what I'm saying? Like a fucking ninja dog. Like, what? This is pretty cool, I must say. Not sure when I will wear this, but hey, at least I have one just in case. You never know when you need a face mask. You never know when you're gonna run into cold weather. This is one of the last items, and I believe one of the last things I grabbed for this season. And it is, oh, everybody who did pick something up the final week of the season was saying that they got free ship pins, and I am no different. I got a free ship pin in black. So shout out to Supreme for that. That's always awesome to get. The very final drop of the season. And this is the navy small box logo zip up hoodie. I have one in gray, and these things are awesome, very cozy, quality hoodies, only around $140. They come with the small box logo, and it just has the cotton interior. There's no like fleece lining or anything like that. So this is something that you know, is a layerable piece, or at the same time you can rock it if it's just a cool day, if it's not super cold. And I got it in this navy color because I love my other one so much that I wanted to be able to wear it more often and not have to worry about it getting dirty or dingy. And the light gray from Supreme will get dirty or dingy if you wear it a lot. So glad I picked it up. I love these hoodies. Really good if you're trying to micro flex. Always need to bust out the micro flex. So yeah, small box logo hoodie, get you one. If you ain't, you slacking, motherfucker. All right, so with that was all the stuff that I purchased towards the end of the season. If you remember the last drop, the sled came out, I was unsuccessful, but I did manage to get one for retail. Now, as far as what I'm doing with the sled, I will not be keeping it. There will be a raffle for retail on an upcoming Wednesday night hype, so stay tuned for that. But let's not waste any more time and get to unboxing this goddamn sled. The person who sold me this sled already opened it, so I apologize. It's not an official unboxing. If you look, the box that it came in was fucking huge. It came in a pretty big ass box. But outside of that, this sled is clean. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. I wish I did live in a cold area that did have snow, because I would be using this on the regular. This shit is clean. Like that gloss on this guy, oh, so clean. As far as size, I mean, it can pretty much, I could fit in it. I mean, not fully, obviously, but I could use this as a sled 100%. So this is definitely like an adult size sled. This thing is awesome. I'm so glad I picked this up just so I can have it in hand and actually see the quality of it. It does have at the top of the sled the holes so that you put a rope in and pull, you know, if you want to, you know, pull the kitties, or if you want to get pulled yourself. I wish I did have enough room in my place that I could find a cool place to just lean this up against the wall or something like that. But yeah, but like I said, this will be available for a raffle for retail in an upcoming Wednesday night hype, where you can win this for like super duper cheap. So that's everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, you gotta subscribe, bitches. As always, it's your boy Sin Supreme, and I shall see you next time. Peace.